Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we have a fun step to work with musicality, to improve your rhythm. It'll be the same step over and over so you can master your technique and musicality.
Let's do that right now. Okay, here we are at the dance floor. We'll show you first the step so you can see it and you can copy this, and then we'll do it with the rhythm and the music. Side, rock, step, cross, and resolution to fit together.
Very good. So now we're going to rotate. Follow us very quick. This is for you to start improving your musicality, your timing. Yes? So first of all, follow us slow motion first. 1. First rock step, rock outside, rock for both, leader, create a little bit of a space with your left, and bring her into a cruzada. Tac. Change body weight with a little rotation, resolution, and we are going to syncopate here. Quick, slow to start all over again.
Side for the followers, rock back with the left, rock side, go to the cross, change body weight, back, side feet together, and continue with the left to the front. We're using close embrace all the time. Mostly we are going to focus on musicality and rhythm. Should we do the numbers?
Yeah, absolutely. So, one more time. Here's the thing. How we're going to count this, just for you to have it. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lift and side. That'll be the counting. We are just waiting for you not to rush and also to learn how to wait and initiate all over again, learning to step in the number 1 of the figure.
Yeah, if you notice, we are waiting 7, 8, take our time to reinitiate the figure number 1 again, because that mostly will match with the music, with the phrases.
Yep. So now we're going to try this with the music, the whole song. Try to follow us, but before that, we have this. Before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part.